using 1 or 2 Whirlpools in my sink, in the sink. So come on, let's go. So we gotta put it down. And we gotta, like, if it's round, but sometimes I use the cup. If it gets up to here, I'll wait until it's 1:12:32. Like, it's kind of like really hard to like make Whirlpool, but for me, no. Here's how you make one. First, you gotta make it like really full. Probably like top of the sink. When you're done, turn off the water and just spin with your hand and then unplug it. That's how you do it. I'm gonna be showing you when I'm done with filling it up. Like, it's gonna be really easy. Okay, this will be the last dump. I'll leave out. Okay, now you turn it off. Okay, you let it settle until all the bubbles are gone. Okay, let's go. It's still going, everyone. Oh my God, that's sick. It's spinning around. So, yeah, that's how you make a Whirlpool, but it's not over yet. Because I'm gonna make, one more one. I'm joking. Bye.